I'm Mike Foley with Stan Weaver and Company. I'm the Vice President of Operations and General Manager. Because we're strong, we have a large organization, we're in many markets, factories like to have us. So in addition to the bigger factories that we represent, we have other products to infill that stuff. We do a lot of work in the hospital and lab facilities. We do a lot of schools and universities, and the good thing is we can team with the manufacturers and tell them what we need for those markets. Our ability to engineer and provide the products and be able to service the products once they're installed, if necessary, I think that's a vital part of our business. I think our engagement with the engineering community and ASHRAE and understanding the new things there as far as technology, it really helps us stay ahead of the market. Where the HVAC industry is going seems to be more efficient stuff, more green products. I think that's the good thing with the manufacturers we have. They're working towards that to get better indoor air quality, better efficiencies, better green products. I think we're at the forefront of that. I think us being able to provide a robust organization that's in many markets here in Florida, and the size and the strength of that can be a magnet for manufacturers to want to deal with us in Florida. We're a Florida-owned company. It's one of those things where we only deal in this state, and I think that makes us attractive